Hey friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Jasmeen again with a brand new video, and today's video is going to be a normal vlog. Tomorrow the guests are coming down from India, so I'll be showing you who's coming down. So that's a surprise. From many days I've been telling you guys that someone is going to come, but then yeah, finally I'm gonna reveal it. So yeah, I just woke up and I'm going through a bad headache because I couldn't sleep. You can notice my voice has also been changed. I couldn't sleep at all till morning 5:30 to 5:40 a.m. So after that I think I slept for just 2 hours, and then again I woke up at 8:30, 9 o'clock. And yeah, I'm thinking of making some Gulab Jamun now because somebody who's coming, they love Gulab Jamun, so I'm gonna make Gulab Jamun now. I'll be showing you how I'm gonna do that. And right now just let me show you what I'm doing in my kitchen. So I still didn't have anything since I woke up, so I just had a cup of water. And yeah, right now this is some ghee. If you haven't watched my video how to make ghee at home with Amul butter, so I'll leave the link here somewhere in the I button. You can watch that video how to make ghee at home. So yeah, this one I'm making like 1 kg of ghee because when my family comes, so we love to eat ghee at my house. You know, everybody loves to eat ghee, and daily on the fulkas as well I put ghee. So yeah, ghee is very essential. And especially I like the homemade ghee. I don't like the bottle ones which you get, you know, outside. I don't like it. I just use that just to make some sweets and all that stuff. So yeah, let me start making Gulab Jamun now, and I'm going to use the nanak khova mawa. It's also known as mawa, right? So yeah, I'm used to saying this khova, you know, because since childhood I've been saying the same thing. So yeah, let's get started then. So as you see here, I'm taking this nanak khoa which is available in Singapore. I'm not sure about India, but then this is the one which I get here. I've just made some small pieces of this mawa, that's khoa, and I've grinded half of this. Now you can see it's really nice and like powdery texture, very good. So I'll be continuing this whole thing, and then I'll finish grinding and then get back to you. So next I'm gonna prepare the syrup for the Gulab Jamun. So here I'm taking around 5 to 6 big tablespoons of sugar to make this syrup. So this quantity is something like if you're taking this is according to my cooking experience. So what I do is, if I'm taking 4 tablespoons of sugar, I'll be adding 2 cups of water to this. So accordingly you can see how thick or like liquidish you want your syrup to be. I like my syrup to be very light. I don't like the thick ones. So here this is my consistency and my measurement. So you can adjust it to your taste and preference. So next, when the syrup is about to boil, I'm gonna add in cardamom powder to this. Here I've taken 4 to 5 cardamoms for this syrup, and also I shall be adding cardamom powder to the mixture of Gulab Jamun as well. So now you see I'm adding 4 to 5 cardamom powder to this Gulab Jamun mix, and I'll be mixing this really well. And to this, just for the binding sake, because this is just the khoa, I'm adding some maida here. You can even add wheat flour to this. But then here I prefer to add maida because that gives a nice crispiness to this. So here for half kg of khoa, I'm adding around 5 teaspoons, not tablespoons, but it's teaspoons of maida here, so that I can have nice round balls, Gulab Jamun balls, and then I can fry them very easily. So mixing all this with the help of some milk here. This is normal milk, so you can even add in water if you wish, but then milk gives a nice flavor to this, so I like to add milk into this. So I'm gonna knead this like a chapati dough here. It should not be really soft, but then yeah, in medium consistency, so that you can make nice, you can roll some nice Gulab Jamuns here. So you see here I'm just adding milk according to the consistency. And this makes the thing, your work much more easier. You can just make some rough balls in the start, and then later you can roll in the Gulab Jamuns. And in the meanwhile, I'm also heating this oil till the time I roll my Gulab Jamun. So now you see here, it's all been done.
very easily, and the binding texture of the maida is awesome in this. And always try to fry your gulab jamuns on a really low flame. This makes the gulab jamun cook from inside out and also gives a nice crispy texture from the outer side. So now I'm adding the gulab jamuns to the syrup here, which I've already prepared. So the syrup is also a bit warm here. So the gulab jamuns are really nice and hot, looks delicious and really tempting. I can't wait to have this gulab jamun. I'm sure this is gonna taste really good. So you see, they're perfect and none of the gulab jamuns have broke. So yes, this is the perfect recipe I feel for gulab jamun that I've been following since many years. So you see, they look so delicious.
So as you all just saw, the gulab jamuns are ready now, and I wanted to show you my storeroom. This is also known as the bomb shelter here in Singapore. Every house here has bomb shelter, except I'm not sure about the landed properties, but then these HDBs, these apartments, what you have here, every single apartment has this bomb shelter. It's because I've heard that if something earthquake or some natural disaster happens, then you can just go into this room. It's made up of iron, as you can see, and there's one ventilation thing here. So you need to just go and hide into this so that you will be saved, and even if the building falls, collapses down, then this will still be intact, you know. They say that, I'm not sure. And you can see this is like really thick door, you know, and with these locks. You see here, like these bullet locks, you know. So yeah, so I need to take out the vacuum cleaner now. I need to vacuum. I'm thinking of vacuuming the house. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Let me show you. So I've kept all my baggage here, which I take to India. So all these baggages are here. And yeah, some of this camping stuff and my iron box and few of these things I'll show you in detail when I'm doing a home tour. So for now, let me take vacuum cleaner. This is just for the carpets. I've done the normal cleaning already, so this is just for the vacuum. For the carpet thing I'm gonna do today. So once I'm done with the vacuuming, I'll see you then, okay? So because of the headache, I have to wear my glasses today, and I thought of editing few of the videos, but I don't think I can edit anymore, you know, because I have such a bad headache. I'm looking at the system and my eyes are like burning continuously, so I just thought that's okay. Okay, so let me check on my ghee, or else that might get burnt as well. And yeah, I just installed nice mirror here. These are like 3 types of mirrors, so that I can check out myself when I'm going out, you know. So this is just in the hall, you know. So yeah, let me prepare some Milo and have it. So friends, as you all saw, I just finished preparing gulab jamun and ghee and few more other things which I had to do. So yeah, still I have slight headache, but then not as bad as morning what I had. So now I just got ready. I'm just going to local nearby grocery store. I need to buy some fresh coriander, some fresh vegetables and fruits as well. So I'm gonna go there now. So yeah, next videos are going to be really interesting. They're kind of like daily vlogs. I have planned few things. So I'm gonna show you what all I'm gonna do, which are really different than usual. You haven't seen that before in my videos. So I'm gonna show you all that. And yeah, if you have liked this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit on that bell icon so that you don't miss on any of my videos when I upload it and be the first one to watch it. Okay, so yes, stay tuned for many more vlogs. Till then, take care, bye bye.